Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, and you're watching GadgetMatch. I'm still here in my living room in New York, which means I'm not in Barcelona for Mobile World Congress for like the first time in 5-6 years. Well, that's because Mobile World Congress isn't happening this year due to the coronavirus, but that also means for the first time in a long time, I won't be rushing to finish a review of this phone that just arrived today, the Galaxy S20 ULTRA. I'm actually still flying to Barcelona to work on the review because I already have tickets, but before I can do that, let's do an unboxing. This is our Samsung Galaxy S20 ULTRA unboxing. Aha, here we have it, the Galaxy S20 ULTRA in a big black nondescript box. Here on the side it says Samsung Galaxy S20 ULTRA 5G, and that's because the entire S20 lineup has 5G support. The model we have is the Cosmic Gray variant. Okay, without further ado, let's lift this lid off. Ooh, there it is, the Galaxy S20 ULTRA. It's pretty huge. Okay, I'm excited to see this setup already, but let's set it aside for now so we can see what else is inside here. First up, fast charging adapter, a tiny box. Oh, that's empty. Wonder if retail units will actually come with a free jelly case. USB-C to USB-C cable. In here, in case you can't see the subtle glossy writing, USB-C AKG headphones, and some extra ear tips to make sure they fit snug. Let's not forget, in this lid is another box. There's a SIM ejector tool, and inside, a quick start guide. Our unit doesn't come with a case, but contents will differ depending on your market. Okay, back to the phone. Let's peel this plastic off. All right, this is the Cosmic Gray Samsung Galaxy S20 ULTRA, the biggest in the S20 lineup. Biggest display, biggest battery capacity, and the biggest camera bump. That's because the S20 ULTRA has a 108 megapixel camera, currently the largest in the market today. The S20 ULTRA has 10x lossless zoom and what Samsung calls space zoom. That's 100 times hybrid zoom. There are a lot of other new camera features to unpack in our full review, like how useful is single take mode? Do you need the 40 megapixel selfie camera? And with a newer and bigger sensor, can the S20 ULTRA take significantly better photos and videos than on previous models and against the likes of the Google Pixel 4, Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max? We've already gone over this in our hands-on, but in case you missed it, button and port placements are like this: speaker grills, USB-C, and microphone at the bottom. Up top, provisions for 2 nano SIM cards, or 1 nano SIM card and a micro SD card. And on the right, volume rockers and the power button. Okay, let's power it on, and while we set it up, roll spec sheet. Let's set up the fingerprint scanner, and done. It unlocks quickly, although if you have small hands, this is probably not the most convenient way to unlock this phone. The S20 ULTRA sports a humongous 6.9-inch AMOLED display. By default, it's set to 60 Hz, but you can change that in the settings to a buttery smooth 120 Hz. The curve is still there, but it's no longer as obvious, so you get a more symmetrical edge-to-edge display than before. The entire S20 lineup will go on sale starting March 6th, but you can now pre-order online at Samsung.com. So, okay guys, I gotta pack and head to Barcelona to work on that review. Let me know in the comments section below which things you'd like me to investigate. If you have any particular questions, let me know also, and perhaps what other phones I should pack and bring with me for a possible camera shootout video. MWC may not be happening, but we have a lot of videos coming your way, so to make sure you don't miss any of that, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.